In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Cloud Print and print from another device. Google Cloud Print is a service that's available to anyone to hook their printer up to the cloud and print from it from anywhere. Now, to get this going, you either need a cloud-ready printer, and there are many that are available, and you hook those up to your network, and then you just follow the instructions that come with whatever brand of printer you decide to get. Now that's one option, and that's an easy option. But another thing you can do is you can hook up your legacy printer. So anything you already have hooked up to your computer or even on your network, if it's not Cloud Printer ready, you can still print to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our cloud service, and then we're going to print to it from an Android device. Now you can print to your cloud printer from just about anything other than iOS. Now I shouldn't say you can't from iOS, but iOS makes it a lot more difficult because it's a closed system. There are certain apps that you can buy to do it, but pretty much every other system you can print directly to it once you log in to your Google account on that system. Okay, so to get it set up, what you want to do is set up a Google account if you don't already have one, and of course you need the Chrome browser. Now if you have a cloud-ready printer hooked up, you don't need the Chrome browser. It's already going to work. But for a legacy printer, we need to have the Chrome browser hooked up. So what you want to do is once you're logged into your account, after you have one set up, you want to come over to the settings or to this little dash thing up here, little window, and click on that. And then you want to go down to settings, click on that. And then at the bottom, you want to go to where it says See Advanced Settings. Okay, now you want to roll right to the bottom, and you'll see Google Cloud Print. This is where you want to go here. So I'm going to manage, and it'll take me into another screen where I can set up my printers that I have. Okay, now you'll see that it already has Google Drive. When you have a Google account, you automatically get Google Drive, which is a cloud service. So you can print to your Google Drive account if you like. But I'm going to add a printer here. And it'll go out and it'll find any legacy printers or any cloud-ready printers, for that matter, that are on the device or that are on my network. Okay, so here's what it found on mine. I don't want to print to the fax. I don't want this one. So I got an HP LaserJet 1200 laser printer on here, an old one. And then down here, automatically register new printers I connect. Okay, so I'm going to leave that checked, and I'm going to add the printer. Okay, so there it is. It's all set up. Now, if I go to Manage here, it'll show me what printers I have. Okay, and here it is here. Now, you can share this printer with others as well. So click on it, and you'll see the Share button here. And when you go in here, you can see who has permission to access the printer. So it's a private printer, and you can change this to make it accessible to anybody with the link if you want to do that. I'm going to leave it as private. And then the owner here, which is me. But down here, you can invite other people to be able to print to the printer by email address and then share, okay? And then they will be able to print to that printer as well. Okay, so it's all set up on this side. So if I were to print to it for another device, it'll just come out. Okay, now what we're going to do is look at how to set it up on the Android side. Okay, in my example, I'm going to be printing from an Android phone. Same deal if it's an Android tablet. You need to go to the Google Play Store. Now you can do this from your phone or from the web, whichever way you like to install your apps. And what we want to do over here is type in and search for Cloud Print. Okay, and then you want to go to the one Cloud Print by Google. So click on this one and install it. Okay, so I already have it installed on my phone, but this is what you do. You install it on your phone or tablet. Okay, now we're going to go over to the phone side. We're going to set it up and print from there. Okay, so here's my home screen. I'm going to hit the menu button. Then I'm going to go to System Settings. May look different on your phone depending on your launcher. Okay, so now I'm going to go to More Networks. This is on a Galaxy S3, so yours may look different. Then into Printing. So you just need to find where printing is on your system. And then Cloud Print. So I want to go in there. I already have it on, but normally it'll be off. So I'll come in here and I'll turn it on. Okay, it's telling us that it's going to pass through different servers, so we click OK. Now it searches for the printers, and it has now found my printers there. Okay, so let's go to the gallery and print something out here. Let's select a picture. Okay, and go to the menu button, and I'll select Print. Okay, now we click Google Print. Okay, and there's our printer. Just tap Print, and it'll print out. Okay, here's my print queue, and you see it printing there. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. Now, if we go back here and into our print management, we go into print jobs. It'll show the different print jobs that have been sent out to this computer, and this is the one I just sent out from the phone. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use Google Cloud Print to send printouts from your other devices.